Hi, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and today I'm going to show you something important which is related to the drafting workbench of Catia V5. So that's the inserting the frame and title block. So to insert the frame and title block of the drawing sheet, you first need to set the drawing sheet to the edit background mode. To set that, go to the the edit sheet background. Once you click on this, the whole the sheet color changes to the gray. So there are two methods to insert the frame and title blocks. Both of the methods will be discussed. So firstly, I'll be discussing the automatic insertion of frame and title block. So when I'll be explaining you this particular method of creation, I request all the viewers to do exactly what I'm doing, because what happens is, in my system the default layout is not available, so some of the things which I explain here won't be available in my screen, whereas it will be available in your screen. So let's see. Okay, so first I'm going to explain you the automatic insertion of frames and title blocks. So for insertion, you have two methods, that is insert drawing, and you have this frame and title block. That is the first way, and you have this drawing toolbar here, and you have this insert frame and title block. So one thing is to be noted here is this icon here, frame and title block, in the drawing toolbar is not the same when you are in the working view. So when you switch back to the working view, this is a new sheet tool, so it's a small thing which you can note down. So I'll go to the sheet background and I'll open up the manage frame and title block. So on your screen you will be seeing many things like drawing title block sample 1, sample 2, the VIA1 and all those. So I'll be explaining you how you can work with all these things. So you don't have to be panicked that you don't see anything on my screen. You'll be definitely seeing the things on your screen, because the default layout for my personal use, for my customization, I've removed the default layouts. So let's see ahead what is the style of the block. The style of the block here, you'll be having a couple of details here, like drawing title sample 1, the title playbook, the title sample 2, and the Innovia 1, etc. So what is the style of title block? I'll explain you. The style of title block drop down list is used to set the style of the frame and the title block. By default, the drawing title block sample 1 title block is selected in this drop down list. The other three styles in this drop down list are the title block playbook, title block sample 2, and the sample Innovia 1. You can select the type of the style from this drop down list according to your need. So we have another option here, that is the action. What is this action? The option and the action list box are used to define the type of the action that you want to perform. The options in this list box are discussed next. So you have a few options over here. As you can see, the place where I put the mouse, you will be having create, delete, resize, update, check by, and add a revision block. So let me just give you a brief idea about these many icons here. The create option in the action list box is selected by default. This option is used to create the frame and the title block on the current drawing sheet. The preview of the frame and the title block to be created is shown in the preview area of the manage frame and title block dialog box. That is exactly over here. And let me explain you the delete option. The delete option in the action list box is used to delete the existing frame and the title block. Resize option is used to resize the frame and the title block. If you have modified the size of the sheet after placing them, after modifying the sheet size, frame and the title block will not adjust to the sheet boundaries automatically. Therefore to resize them, choose the resize from the action list box and then choose OK from the manage frame and the title block box. On doing so, the frame and the title block will adjust to the new sheet size. And the next option is the update option in the actions list box is used to update the frame and the title block. This is done in case you have modified some of the parameters of the sheet, such as the projection stand or the sheet scale, or you have inserted new sheets. After performing the modification, you need to update the frame and the title block using this option. Another option here is the check by. You can see somewhere over here. The check by option is used to specify the name of the person who has checked the drawing sheet. To specify the name, choose this option and then choose OK. From the Manage Frame and Title Block dialog box, the controller's names dialog box will be displayed. Specify the name of the controllers in the Edit box and choose OK button. The name specified in this dialog box will be displayed in the check by section of the title block in this drawing sheet. Add a revision block is the final option here. The add revision block option is used to add revision blocks to the drawings in the drawing sheets. To add revision blocks, choose this option and then choose OK button from the Manage Frame and Title Blocks box. The reviewer's name dialog box will be displayed. Specify the name of the reviewer and choose OK button. The description dialog box will be displayed. Specify the description in the edit box available in this dialog box and choose OK. The information specified in this dialog box will be displayed in the revision block. Similarly, you can add other revision blocks to perform a complete revision table. I humbly apologize that I'm not able to show you whatever I am telling you or directing you right now, but still you'll be able to use it if what I'm mentioning or what I'm describing here, if you do exactly how I say, you'll be seeing the OK button, the description dialog box, everything exactly how I said. So after inserting the frame and the title block, you can specify the required parameters in the columns of the title block. To do so, double click on the default parameter of the title block. Text editor dialog box will be displayed. In the text box of this dialog box, enter the text that you want to display in the drawing and then choose OK button from the text editor dialog box. So next you need to exit the background editing mode. To do so, let me just close this. You will be selecting as ever for aforementioned whatever I have explained. You'll be doing exactly how I said and you will be clicking OK. And once you're done with all the editing part, the next thing you need to do is you need to go to the edit working views. So you're back with all the title blocks and all the revision blocks and all resizing, everything will be done and you will have a complete set being created in front of you. So in the next my next video, I'll be showing you how you can create the frame and title block manually. So hope you enjoyed my video. I hope this video is going to help you a lot in your drafting projects. Thank you so much for watching.